children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes children. Today we learn English for LKG. Okay children? Yes children. Now children, this class before we learn some families about family. Okay children, English class before we learn families. Okay children. Families. One is small family. Okay children, and another one is big family. Okay children, big family. Yes children, we have more types of families children, but today we learn two types of family, that is small family and one is big family children. Small family, father, mother and children make a small family. Okay children, father, mother and children make a small family. And big family children, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousins. Yes children, big family, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousin make a what children? Big family. Yes children, small family, father, mother and children. Big family, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt and cousins. Yes children. Okay. Now children, everyone take out here. See children here. I'll show children some pictures. See children here. This is a family. See children, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie and children. This is a big family. Yes children. Father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie and children. This is okay. This is a big family. And small family children, father, mother, children. This is a small family. See children. Okay, father, mother and children. This is a small family and this is a big family. See children here. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, auntie and children. This is a big family. Okay children, see children, this is big family and this is small family. Yes. Now children, take out here English textbook. Little Learner English textbook. See children, book number 2. Book number 2, Little Learner English textbook. And children, take out page number 10. Yes children, page number 10. I know letter sounds. Yes children, I know letter songs. Sing the phonic song, children. Yes, sing the phonic sound. So see, children, the first one, the ant wants an apple. The bird wants a ball. B. The cat wants a candy. K. The dog wants a doll. D. I know the letter sounds. Yes, I do. I know the letter sounds. How about you? The elephant wants an engine. The fox wants a flower. F. The goats wants a guitar. G. The hens wants a hat. H. I know the letter sounds. Yes, I do. I know the letter sounds. How about you? Okay, children. Insects wants an igloo. E. The jackal wants a jug. J. The kangaroo wants a kite. K. The lion wants a lollipop. L. I know the letter sounds. Yes, I do. I know the letter sounds. How about you? The monkey wants a mat. M. The nightingale wants a nut. N. The ostrich wants an orange. O. The parrot wants a pen. P. I know the letter sound. Yes, I do. I know the letter sounds. How about you? The queen wants a quilt. Q. The rabbit wants a rocket. R. The snakes want the sun. S. The tiger wants a table. T. I know the letter sounds. Yes, I do. I know the letter sounds. How about you? The uncle wants an umbrella. The vulture wants a vase. V. The X-ray is the box. The yak wants a yo. The zebra wants a zip. Okay, children, I know the letter sound. Yes, I do. I know the letter sound. How about you? Yes, children, this is the phonic sound, children. Okay. Now, children. Okay, children. Revise the phonic sounds, children. Okay, first our words. So, children, A for A. B for B. C for K. D for D. E for A. F for F. G for G. H for H. I for E. J for J. K for K. L for L. M for M. N for N. O for O. P for Pa. Q for Qua. R for R. S for S. T for Ta. U for R. V for V. W for Wa. X for S. Y for Ya. Z for Z. Okay, children, you also phonic song. Repeat, children, in your home. Okay, practice. Do practice, children. Phonic song. Okay, sound. A for A. This one, children, you also practice, children. Okay. Now, children, take out English Learner English workbook. See, children. Yes, children. Page number 13. I can trace patterns. I can trace patterns. See, children. I can trace the pattern. First is standing line and one is sleeping line. Yes, children. Yes, children. Patterns. Standing line. Yes, children. Sleeping line. Now, children, do practice, children. Trace the patterns. Okay? Trace the patterns. Okay, children. You also trace the pattern in your textbook, children. See, children. Standing line. Standing line. Standing. Yes, children. Trace the patterns. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. You also trace in your textbook, children. Trace the patterns. First one is standing line. See, children. Standing line. Okay, children. Standing line. See, children. Standing line. Standing line. You also trace, children, in your textbook. Standing line. Say and write. Okay, children. Say and trace. Standing line. Standing line. So, children, standing line is finished. See, children, this is standing line. This is standing line. Trace, children, standing line. Now, children, next sleeping line. Okay? See, children, here, sleeping line. Trace, children, sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. You also trace in your textbook, children. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. See, children, here one small teddy bear is there. See? Yes, standing line. Standing line. Yes, children. Complete, children. See? So, children, this is sleeping line. Sleeping line. This is standing line and this is sleeping line, children. Standing line, sleeping line. Okay, children? Now, yes, children, this is standing line and this is sleeping line. With standing line and this sleeping line, we will practice with some alphabets, children. Okay, children? See here, page number 14. See, children, page number 14. See, children, here, T for tortoise and T for tomato. And see, children, here, this is T. So, this is sleeping line and this is standing line. So, this alphabet is T. Okay, children, sleeping line, standing line. This is T. T for tortoise and T for tomato. How to write? I will show, children. See here. See, children. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Sleeping line, standing line. T, children. Yes, children. Sleeping line. Yes, children. T. T for tortoise and T for tomato. See, children, you also trace in your textbook, children. T. Sleeping line, standing line. 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 T. See, children, here. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Yes, children. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Sleeping line, standing line. T. See, children. And three lines is there, children. So remaining lines, your homework, children. Okay. Sleeping line and standing line. T. Now, children, next I. I for ink and I for igloo. Okay, children. See, children, here. Sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. I for ink and I for igloo. Yes, children. So, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. I. Sleeping line, standing line. I. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. Yes, children. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. I for igloo and I for ink. I for igloo and I for ink. Yes, children. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. I for igloo. And children, remaining lines in your homework, children. Okay. Next, L. L for lamp and L for lion. Yes, children. See, sleeping line. Sorry, children. Standing line, sleeping line. L. Standing line, sleeping line. L. Standing line, sleeping line. L. L for lamp and L for lion. L for lamp and L for lion. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. See, children. Standing line and sleeping line. L for lion and L for lamp. And these remaining lines in your homework, children. Yes, children. Next, F. See, children. F for fan and F for fish. So, children, standing line and sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Two sleeping lines are there, children. See here. One standing lines and two sleeping lines. F. F for fan and F for fish. F for fan, F for fish. F for fan, F for fish. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Two sleeping lines are, children. One standing lines and two sleeping lines. This is F. F for fan and F for fish. And these remaining lines in your homework. Next, children, H. H for hen and H for hat. Okay, children, see? H for hen and H for hat. So, children, standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Two standing lines are there and middle sleeping line, children. See? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. H. H for hen, H for hut. H for hen, H for hut. Standing line, two standing line and middle is sleeping line. Two standing line, middle is sleeping line. So this is H. H for hen and H for hut. Two standing line. See children, two standing line and middle is sleeping line. This is a H. H for hen and H for hut. Now children, E. E for elephant or E for engine. Yes children, E for engine and E for elephant. So one is standing line and three is sleeping line children. This is E. E for engine and E for elephant. Standing line and three sleeping line children. One is standing line and three is sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. E. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. See children, E for engine and E for elephant. E. Standing line, three sleeping line children. See, standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. See children, E for engine. One is standing line and three is sleeping line children. This is E. E for engine and E for elephant. And remaining lines, your homework children. Okay. Next children, page number 20. Trace the letter and write them on your own. I can read. This one also homework children. Okay. Yes children. Today we learn standing line and sleeping line children. Okay. Now children, homework. Remaining lines children. Remaining lines. What children? T, I. Okay children. T 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So children, page numbers. Homework children, English, page number 14 to, yes children, 14 to 20. Homework children, okay, 14 to 20. Your homework in your textbook children. Trace children, standing line and sleeping line. Understood children? Okay children, take care, bye.